Want to set up text-to-speech in your Samsung phone but not sure where to start? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get it up and running. Let's jump right in. First, go to the settings. Then scroll down a little bit. Tap on accessibility. Here, you'll see the talkback option right there. Then tap on it. Now tap on settings. Here you'll see the text-to-speech output option right there. Tap on it. After that, you'll find more options for text-to-speech, like the preferred engine, language, speech rate, and pitch. If you tap on preferred engine, from here you can change your preferred engine like Samsung to Google. To do that, just tap on speech recognition and synthesis from Google. Here it changed back. Now if you go back, you'll see a settings icon beside the preferred engine option. Then tap on it. From here, you can install voice data. Now tap on it. You can install your preferred language and voice style from here. And then go back to the previous page. Now choose your preferred language and voice style from the below. Now go back to the text-to-speech output page. From here, you can switch your language. You can also adjust your speech rate and pitch level. And that's how you set up text-to-speech in your Samsung phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.